So this morning we are going to discuss sort because we have been studying sort all this while. Now this morning we have the division of sorts. Okay. Now the same should rationalize the following sort. Now it is not proper for sort to be at the denominator. It is a mathematical taboo for you to see sort as what at the denominator. So once you see it at the denominator, you are tempted to rationalize it. Idea? You get? Now what do you mean? By the time I start the process now, you are going to see how we rationalize. You can see that all of this one, there is a sort here. I'm seeing a sort here. Invisible sort is here. There's a sort here. There's a sort here. There's a sort here. There's a sort here. Idea? So we are going to do something to do what now? To remove the sort there. And how we do it is that we are going to do what? Rationalize it. Okay, so number one, A. We have 7 all over root what now? 18. Okay, now if I want to rationalize, I know with my common sense that root 18 has something inside it. Is it true? Yes. Idea? Of course, you know we have done simplification of sort here. Idea? I know that inside 18, I'm seeing 9 and what now? 2. Idea? Yes. So when you have a number like this, you are going to pick 2 numbers there. Take 2 factors. 2 factors that will give us 18, or the number you are looking for. One of them must be a perfect square. Idea? The other one is not going to be a perfect square. The moment you get the 2 numbers, you are good to go. Okay, so we have 7 all over this is root 9. Idea? Yeah. Root 9 multiplied by root what now? 2. So this is 7 all over. Root 9 is how many? 3 times this is 3 root beginning. 2. Now at this junction, you can see I'm still having roots there. So when you want to rationalize, what does it mean? It means you are going to multiply both numerator and denominator with the sort. Only the sort. If you want to carry all of them, no problem. Idea? If you want to take only the sort, only the sort will be better, so you don't have cumbersome numbers, you don't have large values there. Okay, so what I will do now, I will have 7 over 3 root 2, then multiply by, I'm taking only the sort. Now look at the sort here. Whatever you do up, you do again, you do down. Idea? I'm going to use it to multiply both up and down. Okay, so have 7 times this is 7 root what now? 2. Then this is 3 times, of course 2 times 3 is how many? 4. Then root times root is what now? Root. Square root of 4 is how many? 2. Or once you see the same thing, root 2 and root 2, no cause for alarm, just pick only the number and throw away the sort there. Idea? Do you understand it? So if I have it like root 3 times root 3, I'll just say it's 3. Are you with me? Because I know that 3 times 3 is what? 9. And root times root is also getting root. So square root of 9 is how many? 3. So what am I putting here? So this and this now, are we putting 2? Yes. So I will come here and put what now? 2. Okay, which is equal to 7 root 2 all over 3 times this is what now? 6. Now, you notice that 6 cannot divide this up here. And you know you are not expected to divide 6 and 2. Idea? You cannot divide this and this. You don't come and divide 2 and 2 here and say 2 can 2. 2 can cancel 2. This thing can never work out. You understand? Idea? So what you divide is the coefficient. Divide the coefficient of the root. Don't divide the number inside the what? Inside the root. Do you understand it? Eh? Okay, so let's go down to B. Let's go down to B. So what is B saying? Now B is square root of 16 over how many? Now if you check, you notice that 16 and 7 is enclosed inside the square root. So it means that the square root is covering both 16 and what? 7. And 7. Boy, come this side. Come this side. Is what I'm doing here. Again, now you notice that 16 and 17 is embedded inside the square root, right? Yes. So we are going to separate it. We are going to have something like root 16. So this square root we have affect only this man all over. Will come to affect the denominator. Are you with me? Eh? You know what I did? Yes. The square root was affecting 16 and 7, I mean? Yes. So it's going to be square root of the numerator all over the square root of what now? Denominator. That is the meaning, right? Yes. Okay. Then square root of this one is how many? 4 over root what? 7. You can see we end up having sort again at the denominator, right? Yes. So what are we going to do? We are going to rationalize that, right? Now what are we doing there? 4 over root 7. I will multiply this man by what? 7. Up and getting down. Whatever I do up, I do what? Down. Okay. This time this is 4 root what? 7. Then 7 times 7 is 49, right? Yes. Root times root is what? Root. Then 7 times 7 is 49, right? Yes. Square root of 49 is how many? 7. I'll put 7. Please don't cancel 7 and 7. Idea? you can easily cancel only the coefficient. Do you understand? Okay, because nothing can go, that becomes our answer. Do you understand? Let's go to C now. What is our C saying? C is square root of 12 over how many now? Now, my common sense, now instead of me to separate it at a spot or from here, I can easily reduce it to the lowest step from there. Now, what do I mean? Look at what I mean, class. 2 can go here to give me how many? 6. And 2 can go here to give me how many? 25. Is it 25? Yes. Now that means at this point now because nothing can go. 5 can go here. Can 5 go here? No. 5 cannot go. So what I'm going to now do is to resolve it the same way I did number B. Yeah. The square root is covering both 6 and what? 25, right? Yeah. So it's going to now be root 6 all over root what now? 25 over here. Now this is root 6 all over. This one is how many now? 5. You can see, is there any sort there? No. So this becomes your final answer. If you don't want to go that way, if you don't want to go that way, I can decide to have it this way. Look at 12 over how many? Because this is your number. Idea? You are the owner of this thing. How you solve, determine how you want to solve it. Idea? Now all of us can never reason the same way in the exam hall. Do you get? So some person might love to follow this approach. Another set of people might decide to follow here. Alright, let's go. The square root is affecting 12 and 50, right? Yes. So it's going to be root 12 all over root how many? 50. Then let's go. Now I know that this man has I can resolve this one again. Yes. You get there's a perfect scale here, yes. Which is 4 times getting. Then this one also, I'm seeing 25 times what? 2. Is it true? Yes. Alright, let's go again. This one is root 4 multiplied by root how many? 3. All over root 25 multiplied by root how many? 2. I give it to the square root of this one is how many? 2. Is it 2 root 3? Yes. Square root of 4 is 2 now, yeah? Yes. 2 times this one is 2 root what? 3. Alright, let's go. Or square root of 25? 5 what? Root 2. 5 root 2. Is it 5 root 2? Yes. So at this junction, we are going to rationalize. Now, look at it here. I will say 2 root 3 all over 5 root what now? Now, because of this root here, we are going to multiply both up and getting down. Idea? Yeah. Alright, let's go. This, remember there's 1 here. Yeah. So 2 times that one is how many? 2. Then square root of root times root is root, right? Yeah. And 3 times 3 is how many? 6. Then all over 5 times 1 here is how many? Multiply by root times root is what? 2 times 2. 4. Square root of that 4 is how many? 2. So can 2 cancel this man here? Yes. Can 2 cancel? You can see I did not cancel inside. It can only cancel outside here. 2 will cancel 2, right? Yes. So what are we having there? 6 root 6 over getting 5 over 5. Do you understand it? Yes. Okay, the next one is D. Now what is this saying? 30. D is saying 30 root what? 35. I know I can break it, I mean. Yes. So this is 30 over, oh yeah. This one is 25 times what? 3. Is it 3? Yes. Alright, let's go. This is 30 all over, yeah. This is square root of 25. I mean, multiplied by root what? 3. Is it root 3? Yes. Okay, which is equal to 30 all over. Give it to me. 5. Is it 5 root 3? Yes. Can 5 go here? Yes. Can 5 go here? Yes. So that means I'm having 6 over root what now? 3. I'm going to do what from here? Because there's a sword here. So this is 6 over root 3 multiplied by 3 over 3. I give it to me. This time this is 6 root what? 3. Then 3 times 3? 9. Square root of 9? 3. So can 3 go here? Yes. Can 3 go here? Yes. What am I having? 2. So this is 2 root what now? 3. Okay, copy. At this junction, your next step.